The journey of the excavator in a brick factory. In every brick factory, the excavator plays a crucial and fascinating role. Let's explore the typical workday of the excavator and the important tasks it performs in the process of making bricks from clay. 1. Early morning, preparing for work. As the sun begins to rise, the workers are ready for a busy day, and the excavator is no exception. After a thorough check to ensure that all parts are working well, the excavator starts its journey at the clay pit. With its powerful engine, the excavator moves to the mining area and gets ready to perform its important task. 2. Scooping clay. The giant spoon at work. When it arrives, the excavator uses its giant shovel to scoop up large chunks of clay from the ground. You can imagine it as a massive spoon scooping up soft clay. Each time the shovel of the excavator digs into the ground, you hear the roar of the engine, followed by the sound of clay falling into the large container behind the machine. It's truly an impressive sight. 3. Transporting clay to the production area. After collecting enough clay, the excavator begins to move towards the factory area, where the clay will be processed and turned into bricks. The path might not be smooth, but with its large and sturdy wheels, the excavator easily overcomes all obstacles. On its way, it carefully adjusts its speed to prevent the clay from spilling out. Watching the excavator move with a load of clay is a scene that leaves people in awe and excitement. 4. Dumping the clay. The start of the transformation process. Upon reaching the processing area, the excavator lifts its giant shovel high and slowly dumps the clay into a crusher or onto a conveyor belt. This marks the beginning of the transformation process from raw clay to bricks. The roaring sound of machines and the sound of clay falling onto the conveyor belt create a lively symphony of work. Once it has unloaded, the excavator heads back to the clay pit to continue its mission. 5. Completing the task. The perfect combination of power and precision. The job of the excavator requires not only strength, but also skill. The operator must have the finesse to maneuver the machinery effectively, knowing how to move and scoop clay most efficiently. They are like artists, drawing strong and precise lines with the giant shovel. Every day, the excavator plays a crucial role in creating high-quality bricks that help build solid homes. Conclusion: the excavator, the unsung hero of the brick factory. The excavator is an indispensable part of the brick-making process, playing a vital role in extracting and transporting clay. Its work requires not only power, but also precision and skill. Every time we see an excavator in action, we not only witness its strength, but also appreciate the hard work and dedication of the operators. Isn't it fascinating? Hey you! If you find this interesting, try imagining yourself as the operator of this powerful excavator. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to explore more exciting stories about construction vehicles and their work. And if you have any questions or want to know more about any other vehicles or jobs, leave a comment below. We will explore the world of construction and other fun jobs together. See you in the next video.